Our top story tonight, local bakery BSweet has shifted their recipes to include more vegan-friendly options, but it's not for the reasons you may think. With the economy driving up egg prices, Sarah Campbell shows us how this local business is adapting to meet demand.
For about a year, BSweet Bakery in Troy has included vegan-friendly options to bring joy to more customers. Now, phasing in more of these alternatives has been crucial for a different reason, keeping up with the changing economy.
It really came down to when we saw the rise in egg prices, and that really began that search to make changes into how we operate some things in the bakery.
BSweet Bakery and Dessert Boutique is a family-owned business located right off of Troy's downtown square. They never expected to go so vegan-friendly, but with egg prices only getting steeper, making the switch seemed like the most financially feasible option to meet the demand. According to national studies, the price of eggs skyrocketed more than 15% in January alone. That number is expected to keep rising.
From a bakery's standpoint, we have to look at how far we can stretch our carton of eggs so that we're not just spending like crazy on eggs.
Though not every recipe has changed, incorporating more cheaper vegan ingredients has helped meet customer needs without sacrificing quality. Some of these alternatives include cornstarch and water, applesauce, and aquafaba, the liquid left over from chickpeas commonly used in vegan macarons.
It's all about how you build a recipe to match the taste of something that's normal. You can't just throw in this and that and expect it to taste good. I've spent lots of time making sure that it meets my standards to taste good for all of our customers.
Not only did this change help financially, but it also provided a place for vegan customers to enjoy sweets they may not usually get.
What other things can we offer to more people? Some of these kids can't have eggs now. Sometimes it's a whole family that's vegan that can't have desserts at their own house. So now they can come here and enjoy anything vegan.
BSweet says this switch will likely be permanent as they plan to continue serving both original and vegan-friendly recipes in their store. Sarah Campbell, Troy, TrojanVision News.
On top of vegan-friendly recipes, BSweet also offers gluten-free, sugar-free, and nut-free sweets.